kitchen accessories should you splurge on?
Oh, absolutely. Hands down. Trash pull out. Having a trash can exposed sitting on the floor in the kitchen. Love this. Look, no more trash. Another one that I love, love, love is this tiered divider. That's for your cutlery. I feel like it's just, it's so cool. And when your guests open the cabinet and see that, they have a fit. Love that. Another one that I sell a lot is a rollout tray, where your cabinet tray rolls out of the, it's just like a drawer, but instead of one motion, you've got a drawer behind a door. And that basically, you choose that when you have tall items and you need more room to get it, you know, in and out of that face frame of the cabinet. But definitely trash, rollouts, drawers, and then this cutlery divider for sure.